Hello everyone, MPX Autos, it's James. How are you today? In this video, we would like to do the introduction of the HINO trucks. That is 616 model and 2012. This one come to our workshop today with the system like this. You can see that is a bit of very special because the truck was set up with the factory head unit. And also another small, this one is about 6.8-inch version, Pioneer, which is about a few years ago. And surprisingly, both of them turn on when the truck turns on. But this HINO truck factory head unit screen doesn't turn on any further than this clock, which actually it is already locked. Okay. If you know that this one is locked, soon as you have something with the battery replacement, or if you unplug this one out of the truck and plug it back, it will lock itself like this. And it only works is with the reverse camera. So when you reverse, the camera will show on this screen. And that's the reason why the previous owner actually fit in the second screen here that run for the radio, and that's a bit of special, right? It looks cool, but basically it doesn't function as a very complete system. The radio is far reach from the driver, and it's very different angle to view, very hard to view and control, and the function from here is very limited as well on this model. And the owner also say the Bluetooth doesn't run good as well. And on this screen there's only factory reverse camera showing up, which still is working. So that's the reason why it is here today with MPX Autos. We actually are doing a clean removal job. First, that we will remove this head unit, remove all the unnecessary wiring belonging to this one, and after that we will retrofit here new two single pocket like this over here, so it has more space, more storage pocket over here, like the original factory setup in the past. And then we will remove this head unit and fit in our very well-known premium head unit system for HINO trucks that will retain the factory reverse camera on the screen and retain the system and bring in the premium features, that is wireless Apple Carplay, wireless Android Auto, and USB Carplay and Android Auto, and all other bunch of things belonging to our premium setup. So this is the introduction video, and soon we will have the video how to show the reviews of the new system, the 9-inch fit over here. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching this one. Once again, this very cool system that we haven't seen before. Two of the screen, and unfortunately both of them, they don't function as the very high level complete one, but don't worry, soon it will be a very high level 9-inch premium system over here. The best angle of view, the best screen, and the best communication and feature and system. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you then.